Hey guys, today I'm going to be showing y'all how I made my simple arm wrestling training table with a simple cable system attached to it. On one end of the cable, it attaches to a pipe with a flange that holds on to a stack of weights. You could put more weights on and then you put that pin to lock it in, and it goes up and it goes to a pulley wheel. I recommend getting a flat pulley wheel, but this is all I could find at the time. And then the other end attaches to your handles, and I put towels for elbow pads because I like the way you can move them anywhere around the table. And the table is made out of 2x4s and 2x6s for the legs and holding the legs together. And the top of the table is made of a piece of plywood. And then the pulley system's just made with 2x4s holding the pulley wheel in place. And the extra piece of cable at the bottom is just if I want to lengthen the cable to work on the side of the table with it. And the pulley wheel rolls really smooth. I don't have any problems with that. And it's attached to a normal handle with a fat grip. And this is how I would do some hook training and side pressure training with the normal handle with a fat grip on it. And I have this piece of rope that allows me to lengthen the cable to move around the elbow pad if I want to. And I made this other handle with a PVC pipe. I believe it's 2 inches PVC pipe with a belt attached to where you can wrap it in your hand, and then it puts a lot of top pressure on your fingers while you train. And this is the way I would use the rope to extend the cable to reach the back side of the table to work more back pressure. And this is also why I like to use towels for elbow pads, because you can move them anywhere you want to work any angle you decide to train. And that's all there is to it. It's pretty simple to build, so thank you for watching.